What's up guys, Spicy Hero here, bringing you a Hydro Thunder video for today. And also I wouldn't do any videos over the week, but I don't have any homework, so we're going to do this. Let's see if I can turn up the music real quick. Wrong thing. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. I'll be utilizing something I learned earlier. Hopefully. I'm not good at this. I don't know on boost, so I'm gonna wait till I get some more boost before I start trying to do this. I need to watch that video again, dang it. I landed on that guy's head. Darn it, man, that messed me up right there. If I could learn how to do it better, I know I might be able to do it. Let's do this again. We'll try this again. Let's do it. Golly, that Rad Hazard flew right there, man. Okay, he messed me up. He messed me up. No, I'm not racing online if you haven't noticed already. Man, I'm doing worse this race than I was last. That was slower. Oh, I got third. I barely came in third right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 races. This is my attempt at doing it. Oh wow, I got a faster lap than I did last time. Yeah, this is just my attempt at doing this trick. I learned from one of the viewers. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a lot more practice at this. I have to study it and get a lot more practice at this. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here right here. The Terraria video for today, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and leave a comment on how I can get better at this game and make my videos. And capture card. Yeah, I don't have a capture card, obviously. So yeah, but yeah, just leave a comment on how I can improve my racing and my videos. And see you guys later. Bye. See you.